Hello, beautiful learners. Welcome back to Verbora English.
Hi everyone, it's so wonderful to see you here today.
For those joining us for the first time, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. We're here to help you speak English naturally and confidently.
If you love learning with us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.
It really means a lot to us and helps other English learners find our videos.
All right, Mike, are you ready for today's topic?
Absolutely. I've been looking forward to this one. But first, Sarah, how are you feeling today?
Honestly, Mike, I feel really peaceful today, but yesterday was a different story.
What happened yesterday?
I couldn't relax at all. I kept thinking about a text message I sent to a friend.
A text message? What was wrong with it?
Nothing was wrong with it. That's the problem. I sent a simple message saying, let's meet this weekend, but my friend didn't reply for 5 hours.
5 hours isn't very long.
I know, but my brain started creating problems. Maybe she's angry at me. Maybe I said something wrong last time we met. Maybe she doesn't want to be my friend anymore.
Sarah, that sounds exhausting.
It was. I spent the whole afternoon worrying. And guess what? When she finally replied, she was so happy and excited to meet.
All that worry for nothing.
Exactly. And that brings us to today's topic perfectly.
Today we're talking about overthinking and inner peace.
These are such important topics, and the English vocabulary around them is very useful for everyday conversation.
Let's dive in. Sarah, what exactly is overthinking?
Great question. Overthinking means thinking about something too much and for too long.
It's when your brain won't stop analyzing the same situation.
Yes, you go over and over the same thoughts. You look for problems that might not exist.
It's like watching the same movie scene 100 times, looking for something wrong.
That's a perfect comparison, Mike. And here's the thing. Overthinking doesn't solve problems.
It usually creates more problems in our minds.
Exactly. We imagine the worst scenarios. We predict bad outcomes. We worry about things we cannot control.
Sarah, I think everyone overthinks sometimes. Is that true?
Absolutely true. Overthinking is very common. It's part of being human.
That's reassuring. So we're not alone in this.
Not at all. But when overthinking becomes a habit, it can affect our peace of mind.
And that's where inner peace comes in.
Yes, let's talk about inner peace. What does inner peace mean to you, Mike?
Inner peace is a feeling of calm inside yourself. Even when life is busy or difficult, you feel okay.
Beautiful explanation. Inner peace doesn't mean your life is perfect.
It means you feel balanced and calm despite challenges.
It's like having a quiet center inside you. The world might be noisy, but you feel still.
That sounds wonderful. I think we all want that.
We do, and the good news is we can learn to find inner peace. It's a skill we can practice.
Just like learning English.
Exactly like learning English. It takes time and practice, but it's possible for everyone.
Let's help our viewers recognize overthinking. What are the signs?
Good idea. Here are some common signs of overthinking. First, you replay past events in your head.
Like remembering a conversation from 3 years ago and thinking about what you should have said differently.
Yes. Second, you worry about future problems that haven't happened yet.
What if I fail? What if they don't like me? What if everything goes wrong?
Third, you have trouble making simple decisions.
Like spending 30 minutes deciding what to eat for lunch.
Exactly. Fourth, you feel mentally tired even when you haven't done much physical work.
Because your brain has been working overtime.
Right. And fifth, you have difficulty sleeping because your thoughts won't stop.
That nighttime thinking is the worst. Your brain suddenly becomes very active at 2 a.m.
So true. Mike, why do people overthink?
There are many reasons. One big reason is fear.
Fear of making mistakes, fear of being judged, fear of the unknown.
We think that if we analyze everything enough, we can prevent bad things from happening.
But we can't control everything, no matter how much we think about it.
Another reason is caring too much.
What do you mean?
When something is important to us, we think about it more. We want it to go well.
That makes sense, like worrying about a job interview because you really want the job.
Exactly. Our worry comes from a place of caring, but too much worry doesn't help.
It actually hurts our performance because we feel stressed and anxious.
Some people overthink because of past experiences too.
Yes, if something bad happened before, we try to prevent it from happening again.
We become hyper-vigilant. That means we watch for danger everywhere.
Even when there's no real danger.
Let's talk about inner peace now. How can we find it?
There are several strategies. The first one is mindfulness.
Mindfulness is a popular word these days. What does it actually mean?
Mindfulness means paying attention to the present moment, right now, this moment.
Not thinking about yesterday, not worrying about tomorrow.
Exactly. Most of the time, the present moment is okay. We're safe, we're breathing, we're here.
But our minds take us to other places, to problems from the past or worries about the future.
Mindfulness brings us back to now, and now is usually fine.
How do we practice mindfulness?
One simple way is to focus on your breathing. Take a slow, deep breath in, then breathe out slowly.
Notice how the air feels going in and out.
Yes, when your mind wanders to other thoughts, gently bring it back to your breath.
That sounds simple, but I think it's harder than it sounds.
It is. Our minds are like curious puppies. They run everywhere. Mindfulness is like gently bringing the puppy back again and again.
I love that image, a curious puppy mind.
Another mindfulness technique is using your senses.
How does that work?
Stop and notice what you can see around you. What colors? What shapes?
Then, what you can hear. Near sounds and far sounds.
What you can feel. The chair under you, your feet on the floor.
This brings you into your body and out of your worried thoughts.
Exactly. It's called grounding. You ground yourself in the present reality.
What else helps with inner peace?
Acceptance is very powerful.
Acceptance? Like accepting bad situations?
Yes and no. Acceptance doesn't mean you like everything. It means you stop fighting against reality.
Can you give an example?
Sure, if it's raining on your day off, you can spend all day upset about the rain, or you can accept it and enjoy an indoor activity.
The rain doesn't change, but your experience changes.
Exactly. We waste so much energy fighting things we cannot change.
Accept what you can't control. Change what you can.
That's a perfect summary, Mike.
What about gratitude? I hear that helps with inner peace.
Gratitude is wonderful. When we focus on what we have instead of what we don't have, we feel more peaceful.
It shifts our perspective.
Yes, every day I try to think of 3 things I'm grateful for.
What are you grateful for today?
Today, I'm grateful for my morning coffee, for this sunny weather, and for our wonderful viewers.
That's lovely. My 3 things today are my comfortable chair, my good health, and this conversation with you.
See? Gratitude doesn't have to be about big things. Small things count too.
It's like training your brain to notice the good.
Exactly. An overthinking brain notices problems everywhere. A grateful brain notices blessings everywhere.
Let's teach our viewers some useful phrases for talking about these topics.
Great idea. Here are some phrases for talking about overthinking.
First phrase, I'm stuck in my head.
This means you're thinking too much. Your thoughts feel trapped. Example, sorry, I'm a bit distracted today. I'm stuck in my head about something. Second phrase, I'm driving myself crazy.
This means your thoughts are making you feel stressed or anxious.
Example, I keep thinking about that email I sent. I'm driving myself crazy.
Third phrase, I need to get out of my own head.
This means you need to stop overthinking. You need a break from your thoughts. Example, I'm going for a walk. I need to get out of my own head for a while. Fourth phrase, my mind is racing. Racing means going very fast. Your thoughts are coming quickly, one after another. I couldn't sleep last night. My mind was racing.
I'm overthinking this, aren't I?
We say this when we realize we might be worrying too much.
Example, she hasn't texted back yet, but I'm probably overthinking this, aren't I?
Now let's learn some phrases about inner peace. First phrase, I need some peace and quiet. This means you need calm time without noise or distractions. Example, it's been a crazy week. I really need some peace and quiet. Second phrase, I'm at peace with it. This means you accept something. You're no longer worried or upset about it. I didn't get the job, but I'm at peace with it now.
Third phrase, let it go.
This means to stop holding on to something. Stop thinking about it.
Example, that argument happened months ago. You need to let it go.
Fourth phrase, clear your mind.
This means to remove thoughts from your head, to think about nothing for a moment.
Example, before the test, take a deep breath and clear your mind.
Fifth phrase, find your calm.
This means to find a peaceful state inside yourself.
Example, when you feel stressed, take a moment to find your calm.
These phrases are so useful for everyday conversations.
Let's practice. Viewers, repeat after me. I need to get out of my own head.
Great. Now try this one. I'm at peace with it.
Wonderful job, everyone.
Mike, let's share some practical tips for stopping overthinking.
Yes, these are things our viewers can try today.
Tip number 1, write it down.
When you can't stop thinking about something, write your thoughts on paper.
Getting thoughts out of your head and onto paper makes them feel smaller.
You can see them clearly. Sometimes you realize the worry isn't as big as it felt.
Tip number 2, set a worry time.
What's that?
Choose a specific time to worry, maybe 10 or 15 minutes in the evening.
And outside that time, you don't allow yourself to worry?
You try not to. When a worried thought comes, you say, not now. I'll think about this during worry time.
That sounds like a good strategy for managing thoughts.
Tip number 3, take action.
What do you mean?
If you're worried about something, ask yourself, is there something I can do about this right now?
If yes, do it. If no, let it go.
Exactly. Action beats worry. Doing something feels better than just thinking.
Tip number 4, move your body.
Physical activity helps so much with overthinking.
When you exercise, walk, dance, or do yoga, your mind calms down.
Your body releases chemicals that make you feel good.
Even a short walk around the block can help.
Tip number 5, talk to someone.
Sharing your worries with a friend can make them seem smaller.
Sometimes when we say our worries out loud, we realize they sound a bit silly.
And a good friend can offer a different perspective.
They might say, actually, I don't think that's a problem, and suddenly you feel better.
Let's review some vocabulary from today.
Our first word is overthink. O-V-E-R-T-H-I-N-K.
This is a verb. It means to think about something too much.
Example, I tend to overthink small decisions.
Our second word is peace. P-E-A-C-E.
This is a noun. It means calm and quiet. No fighting, no stress.
Example, I feel such peace when I'm in nature.
Our third word is anxious. A-N-X-I-O-U-S.
This is an adjective. It means worried and nervous.
Example, I feel anxious before public speaking.
Our fourth word is calm. C-A-L-M.
This is an adjective and a noun. It means peaceful and not excited or upset.
Example, she has a very calm personality.
Our fifth word is breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E.
This is a verb. It means to take air in and out of your lungs.
Example, when you feel stressed, breathe slowly.
Our sixth word is meditation. M-E-D-I-T-A-T-I-O-N.
This is a noun. It's a practice where you focus your mind to feel calm.
Example, I do meditation every morning for 10 minutes.
Let's say all the words together. Repeat after us.
Overthink.
Peace,
Anxious.
calm,
Breathe.
meditation.
Excellent job, everyone.
Mike, let's talk about something important. Sometimes overthinking is very serious.
Yes, if overthinking is affecting your sleep, your work, or your relationships, please reach out for help.
Talking to a counselor or therapist is a brave and smart choice.
There's no shame in getting professional support.
Mental health is just as important as physical health.
And remember, you don't have to struggle alone.
The people around you care about you and want to help.
Now it's time for our question of the day.
Today's question is, what helps you find inner peace?
Is it music, nature, talking to a friend, exercise?
I'll share mine first. What helps me find inner peace is sitting in my garden in the morning with a cup of tea.
That sounds lovely. For me, it's playing my guitar. When I play music, all my worries disappear.
Now we want to hear from you.
Write your answer in the comments below.
You can write, I find inner peace when I, and complete the sentence.
We read every single comment and love hearing from you.
Your answer might inspire someone else who is struggling.
This community is so supportive. We learn from each other.
All right, everyone. Let's quickly review what we learned today.
We learned what overthinking means and why it happens.
We learned what inner peace is and how to find it.
We practiced useful phrases for talking about these topics.
And we shared practical tips for managing our thoughts.
Remember, overthinking is normal. Everyone does it sometimes.
But you have the power to calm your mind. It takes practice, but you can do it.
Be patient with yourself. Be kind to yourself.
Your mind is powerful. Use it to imagine good things, not just worries.
And remember, right now, in this present moment, you're okay.
Thank you so much for watching and learning with us today.
You're making amazing progress with your English. We're so proud of you.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with a friend who might need it.
Subscribe to Verbora English for more helpful lessons every week.
Take care of your mind. Take care of yourself.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video.
Bye-bye. Remember to breathe and don't forget to smile.